Every time they talk about her, you'd see the fire in his eyes. He'd say, I would walk through hell on Sunday to make my rose in paradise. He hired a man to tend the garden, on her while he was gone. Some say they ran away together, some say the gardener left alone, and now the banker, he's an old man. Yeah, the mountain's crumbling down. He sits all day and stares at the garden. No sign of her was ever found. Every time they talk about her, you see the fire in his eyes. He'd say, I would walk through hell on Sunday to get my rose in paradise.
Only guitar from Chicago, Oklahoma, Mr. Bradley Duvall.
Now there's a rose out in the garden. It's beauty cuts just like a knife. They even say it grows in the wintertime. It blooms in the dead of night.
Somebody say, yeehaw! There, come on.